Guys, it's Miss Cassidy. So I am here and we're going to start working on longer and shorter. So this week that's what we're going to be focusing on in math. So I've got a few different objects for us right here to look at, and we're going to figure out which object is longer and which one's shorter. So let's start with our blocks right here. So I've got some cubes and I'm just going to sit them side by side just like this so that we can see them both. So I want to figure out which object is longer and which one's shorter. So I know that the longer object is going to be the bigger object. So this one right here is the longer object because it goes way on up. And then this one right here is the shorter object because it's smaller. It's not as tall as this one over here. So here's my long object and here's my short object. Okay, so we can also look at them this way. And we can see, we can see that this one is taller and this one is shorter. Okay. Alright, let's move on to our next object. So now let's look at our paper clips right here. So I'm going to sit them right next to each other. We have two different paper clips. I have a blue one and a silver one. So I want to figure out which object is shorter. So look at your paper clips right here. Which one is shorter, the blue one or the silver one? The silver one is the shorter because it's smaller. So the silver one is shorter, and then this blue one right here is longer because it is bigger, it's taller. So this is the longer object. Okay, let's move on. All right, now we have our pencils. We have two different pencils right here. I've got a red pencil and a yellow pencil. So I have them sitting side by side, and I want to know which pencil is longer. So looking at these two pencils, which pencil is longer, the red one or the yellow? The red one, very good. The red pencil is longer. It's bigger than the yellow pencil. It goes way on up past the yellow one. So which one is shorter? The yellow pencil is shorter. It's smaller. It's not as tall as the red one, so that means it's shorter. Okay, and our last object. I have two pairs of scissors right here. So here's our scissors. I have a blue pair and a green pair. So I want to know which one is longer. Which object is longer? The green scissors, very good. The green scissors right here are longer because they go up past the blue scissors. They're taller. So these green scissors are longer. Which ones are the shorter scissors? The blue scissors are the shorter scissors. They're smaller. They're not as tall as the green scissors. So that means they are shorter. All right, guys, good job. So we have all our objects right here that are taller and shorter. So you guys are going to go on Seesaw and you're going to complete the activity about longer and shorter. You're going to figure out which line is the longer line first. You're going to color it in, and then you're going to color in which line is the shorter line. All right, have fun, guys.